In the middle of a harsh winter, a man entered the cold, wild forest and began a challenging journey of survival. From the rudimentary materials around him, he built a sturdy shelter, lit a fire to warm himself, and cooked delicious grilled meat on hot coals. Every detail brings a realistic and engaging feeling, as if the viewer is experiencing the bitter cold with him, listening to the crackling sound of fire in the quiet night. A challenging survival adventure, where skills, patience, and courage are tested in the wild.